Hope you're well out there today. Just a quick video. I want to show you a piece I'm working on. I probably should have shown you from the beginning, but I was in the middle of masking up some areas here, and I thought I can make a short, quick video for you, just to fill you in on what I'm doing. Now, this is not a functional piece. This is purely a decorative art piece. It is to be hung on a wall. The idea here is, and this is, by the way, both Anne and I working on this. I'll be doing my part of it, and then she'll be doing her part of it. Now, this is all 4mm clear glass that has been fused together, and I've left a little bit of texture, so it's sort of like a contour fuse. And what's going to happen with this is it is all going to be sandblasted, and that's why I've masked off these areas here. Because the whole thing, except those areas, will be sandblasted. Excuse me. And the reason I wanted to mask off these areas is that I have embedded things in between the glass here that will be visible once this is sandblasted and these are all taken off. Now, what those pieces are the cogs, or the watch cogs that I showed you a little while back, and some pieces of brass. So you can see there's some watch cogs in there, and some pieces of brass through here. So that's where I'm at the moment. I'll go and sandblast this, and I'll show it to you this week. And then Anne and I'll get together and we'll finish the rest of it. And then we'll show you the final piece, possibly next week or the week after. Okay, I saved you the pain of watching me get all that off. So there it is now. What you can hear is a thunderstorm out there. That's it so far. It looks pretty good right now. Goes right through. Now we do have to add some other components to this, and they're the ones that Anne are going to be making. So that's it for this week, and hopefully I'll finish this off during the week and we can show it to you at the end of the week. So bye for now.